Good morning. I am so excited to tell you that I launched my Ancestral Souls Wisdom School a few weeks ago. I'm getting ready to offer some brand new webinars, and this is a place where I am merging all the things that I have worked with for the last more than 20 years, but specifically the last 11, merging genealogy and military research, writing, and also the healing or the spiritual side of things, where we talk to our ancestors or we have guides that come in and help us. It goes way beyond genealogy serendipity. This goes way beyond names, dates, and places that a lot of people just collect to build a family tree. Now, while we need all of those things to create the foundation, we are moving into a time in the world where it is very important that we start to look deeper, that we understand what are the behaviors, the beliefs, and the patterns and the blessings and burdens that have been passed down to us through the generations. We carry within our bodies and our energy fields all of the traumas of our ancestors that are unhealed, all of our early childhood traumas, all of the blessings that our ancestors have given us. Some of them might still be under the surface and you don't even realize they're there. So at the Ancestral Souls Wisdom School, I'm going to be showing you through new webinars, new classes, new one-on-one sessions, chakra balancing, private facilitation, and so many other ways, how to go beyond names, dates, and places, and the basic facts that a lot of people want to find as they start to do the genealogy or military research, or even only looking at their personal lives. So to help you understand a little bit more of what Ancestral Souls Wisdom School is, this Saturday, I am hosting a virtual open house. If you go to the link in the bio, there is a link there for you to register for a spot on this Zoom meeting. This Zoom meeting will run from 11 to 12 a.m. Central Standard Time, so you can adjust for time zones. It is for Americans, Europeans, anybody who is interested in taking your genealogy, military, and personal history and your ancestral history to a deeper level. I'm going to share a little bit about my story, some of the stories of my ancestors, using some of the tools that I have either learned about or developed to really look at where am I functioning like my grandparents, that is in a destructive way. What are the gifts that have been passed down that maybe I was using, like the gift of music, or maybe there are some other things showing up that, I knew my ancestors were very good at. Maybe I can tap into that. So I'll be discussing some of this and also going into a little bit more about the military and how we can use those records to really understand who our service members were, why they were the way they were when they came home, why the family was the way it was, and why we, 1, 2, 3, or more generations beyond whatever war we're looking at, have some of these similar patterns and behaviors and beliefs. There will also be time, if you would like, for you to share some of your stories. And this goes beyond genealogy serendipity. Often in the genealogy and military community, they're very hesitant to talk about the contact we have with our ancestors because it's a little too out there, or the healing that comes through, or some of the taboo subjects like mental illness after World War II or World War I, any war really, or some of the bad things that our ancestors did. At Ancestral Souls Wisdom School, we look at all of those things. We don't censor. They are there for us to explore, to heal, so that we don't continue to carry it, so we don't continue these destructive patterns, and we don't pass them down to the next generation. So if you're interested in learning more and maybe meeting some other people who are exploring these different areas, go to the link in the bio, wherever you're watching this video, and sign up to save your spot today. And I look forward to walking this journey with you. Bye.